Step into the Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Laredo E. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, trailer tow group 4 included, rear load leveling suspension, normal duty suspension, full size spare tire, steel spare wheel, 180 amp alternator, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness, heavy duty engine cooling, class 4 receiver hitch, normal duty suspension, quick order package 2BE Laredo E included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, power 8-way driver, manual passenger seat, bright side roof rails, power 4-way driver, lumbar adjust,